Hey guys, welcome back to the Void YouTube channel. I'm actually going to be working with UV resin today and I'm going to show you how I do it. Let's go! First off, we have our UV resin. Here are our open back bezels that I'll be using for this project. And we have blue, white, and purple colorants. Got some gold glitter here. This is non-residual adhesive tape. I'll be using this UV light. It's 6 watts and uses a USB plug. We have our silicone mixing cups. And for safety, I've got my nitrile gloves and my respirator. My first step is placing the open back bezels onto the adhesive tape. If there is a clear difference between the front and the back of the charm, make sure the back is placed on the tape and make sure it's secure. Here, I take the UV resin and I mix the colorants and glitter in as desired. Now I can take the mixture and carefully drop it into the charms. I try to make sure they don't overflow or come out messy. I wanted to make the planet purple, so I'll be making that mixture in a separate silicone cup. After I clean the charms of any stray drips or accidents, I can go ahead and cure them with the UV lamp. This particular lamp stays on for 1 minute at a time. I'm letting these charms cure for 3 minutes on the front side. Do not touch the resin while it is curing. It is sticky and hot. Also, please make sure you're working in a well-ventilated area. Resin can be a little stinky. Now I go ahead and use the UV lamp on the back for 2 minutes. Once fully cured, the pieces can be glossed. I use DuraClear High Gloss. After the gloss on the front is dry, I remove the charms from the tape and gloss the back. And here's the finished product. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.